What's that you say? Oh, they look good? Yeah, I think so too. I'm really happy with these. I just picked up these replacement ear pads for my Bose AE2 headphones because, as you can see, they're in pretty disgusting condition. I did this on a whiteboard so that you could actually see the dandruff that's coming off of them. It's this sort of black material that's just flaking off like crazy. So, and the foam has gotten pretty gross as well. It's just, it's not really holding its shape anymore. And every time I wear these at my computer, my ears are covered in black dust when I take them off. So these have to go. And I'm going to try and do this in real time. I got these replacements and they come in both blue or gray, and I got the blue. I don't remember why I chose blue over the gray. I feel like I would normally have chosen gray, but I chose blue. And one of the things I love about them is that they've got the L and the R printed on them. With the old ones, you've got the L and the R on the earpieces there, and sometimes in the light it's a little bit hard to see them, and I forget which side the cord plugs into, so I go and put them on backwards, or I have to look at them every time. And so with the L and the R being on the earpiece itself, that's going to help. So I'm pretty excited about that. So let me get these guys off of here. They just click in. Gross. There we go. And that is it. Get that. That is bleh. And the first thing you need to do is get the dandruff out of them. The first thing you need to do is pull the old covers off. And I'm doing that here. There we go. This is all pretty simple. Just make sure there's nothing else in there. And then that's the L. You take your new cloth and stick it in. It's got some double-sided tape on it to make it easier for you. So, okay, one thing I've noticed between the old inner pieces and the new inner pieces, and the old inner pieces aren't in that bad a shape. I'm just excited about having the L and the R, so I am going to use them. But on this particular set of headphones, the AE2, you can see that the material around the outside stops in the bottom. It's not there's like a cushiony material around the outside, and it is not here at the bottom. And the reason that is there's a little speaker down right here. And when this is in here, that little speaker is behind that little piece of mesh there, but it is not covered by this foam that goes around the outside. With these replacements, there is foam down here. And if I just stick them in as it is, that piece of foam will cover up that speaker. And I don't want that. So I'm going to modify these and take the little piece of foam off of the bottom of them so that it's not covering up that speaker. Okay, I've just peeled off the foam along the bottom here. It was really simple to do. I could do it with my fingers. I didn't need scissors or tools or anything so that it would more closely resemble the old ear pad. You could just reuse these, and you might want to, but I did want the L's and the R's just to make it easier on me. And the new ones are a little bit bigger than the old ones, you can see here. And it may not have interfered with that bottom speaker, but I didn't want to take any chances. The way that these go on, it's simple, so I'm just going to peel this off here. Stick. And then there's a piece on the other side. It does the same thing. Click, click. Click. There's just a little ear that holds it on. Nothing fancy. Click. So there you go. They look good. They feel good. They are not flaking all over the place. The L and the R is really going to help me, and I hope that tip about the screen in the bottom there works for you. So I hope that helps.